Hello everyone, I'm making this video to show how to change window screens. If you have a window screen like I have right here, no need to fix it. You can just replace the screen. Super easy to do. Things that we need to change the window screen is a new screen, of course, and a spline tool right here, and a utility knife, and spline, of course. Now this spline comes in either, I think, silver or white color or brown color. So my windows, or the window frame, is brown color, so I picked this one. Window screen that I got is just a standard silver gray color, which is this color here. There are darker screens too, darker color screens, especially for if you have windows that face the sun directly, but this is just a standard screen. So the process of replacing the screen is very simple. The screen is held into the window frame or the screen frame by a little spline that goes in here. So we're going to just easily pull that out, and that frees up the screen that's behind it. We're going to pop the screen out, put the new screen in, and put the spline back on. Now if you have a usable spline, that's awesome. We can reuse it. You can reuse it. Or we can just put in a new spline. So let's do it. So one of the things we can do is take the existing spline with us to the hardware store. So this is about the same size, kind of looks like it, with the screen in the groove. So this is gonna fit hopefully correctly in there. Yep. So the spline tool has two sides. One is just a round, the other one has a groove in it. So I'm going to use the groove side. That will be easier to push the spline into its channel. Like this. Oh, gotta be careful. I don't want to tear the window screen. With the spline tool here, just have to roll the spline tool, and now onto the other side. Making sure this went in there nice and snug. Yep. And as it goes in, it automatically kind of stretches the screen too. So pop it here. And our last fourth side of the window. So I'm going to cut this extra spline here. Okay, good one. And now we'll just remove the extra screen that is up here with this utility knife. And we gotta be careful we don't actually cut the good section off the screen. So I think if you do that on an angle like I'm doing there, so that will make sure that you don't cut the spline itself. Nice and easy, comes off, and we'll do that on the other sections too. Angle. All right, we cut all four sides. Pop the spline that became a little bit loose. So pop that back into its spot. In about 5 to 7 minutes, we got a good window screen ready to go. Thank you for watching.